Hello everyone, this is Florian and today's video is about registering custom pytest markers. I already prepared a single test file with 4 different test functions in it. In a big project there can be many different test files with lots of test functions and classes in it. Running all of these tests can take several minutes. Fortunately, it is not always necessary to run a complete test suite. Pytest provides different ways to select and deselect tests. One way is to mark certain tests and signal pytest that these tests belong to a certain category. For instance, we can mark this test CLI entry point function over here as CLI related, so it's related to the command line interface of our project. We can mark computationally expensive tests as slow, and others as smoke tests. If we head over to the terminal, we can specify which markers we want to select by using pytest-m option. So pytest-m CLI selects no test because I haven't specified the test file yet, so test.py. And as you can see, we have only one selected test. Let's use the verbose option to see which is the name of the function. It's test CLI entry point. And furthermore, a marker can also be used to select all functions without this marker by using the not keyword in front of CLI. So as you can see here, we have selected the 3 remaining tests, and the one that is deselected is our CLI related test. Notice that pytest always prints a warning that the used marker is not known. So here we have a pytest unknown mark warning because the CLI marker and the smoke marker and the slow marker, all of these are not known to pytest. To register a marker, we need to add them to the list of markers inside our pytest.ini file. So let's head over to our pytest.ini file. And first we have the pytest section, and then we can specify the markers. And the first marker is the CLI marker. We can also supply a description to it so that other people can easily figure out to which tests these markers should be applied to. So our CLI marker indicates that it is somehow command line interface related. Then we need a smoke test marker, so mark a test as a smoke test. And last but not least, we have our slow marker, mark a test as a slow test. So that's all. If we go back to the terminal and run this again, we can see that it works, but this time the warnings are not printed at all. A list of all registered markers can be obtained via the -- markers option. So if we run pytest -markers, we see a list of all the markers that are registered. There are a couple of built-in markers that are provided by pytest itself. And if we scroll to the top, we can see that here our 3 custom markers are also listed. So our CLI marker, the smoke marker, and the slow test marker. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. If so, make sure to leave a like, stay curious, and keep coding.